Greetings, fellow enthusiasts of outer space! Today, we invite you to prepare yourselves for an extraordinary expedition of Kepler 452b, a mesmerizing celestial body that mirrors Earth and orbits within the habitable zone of its sun-like star. This captivating planet holds vast potential as a prospective new abode for the human race. With a star reminiscent of our very own Sun, the probability of discovering water and even life on Kepler 452b is strikingly high. Could this distant world become the future dwelling of humanity? Join us as we plunge into the intriguing realms of Kepler 452b, exploring the enthralling prospects it presents. Envision an Earth-like planet nestled comfortably within the habitable zone of a star similar to our Sun. This enchanting orbital region might potentially boast liquid water, hinting at the possibility of nurturing life. Meet Kepler 452b, a cosmic jewel that ignites our imaginations. Kepler 452b orbits a G2 spectral type star akin to our Sun, positioned around 1,400 light-years away. Like Earth, the planet possesses a radius 1.63 times larger, indicating a probable rocky core. However, there is a twist. Beneath Kepler 452b's surface, a rocky composition might coexist with a Neptune-like structure, a rocky core enveloped by an icy mantle and gaseous envelope, rendering its mass elusive. With a grace orbital period of 384.8 days, Kepler 452b dances around its star at a distance of 156.5 million kilometers or 97.2 million miles, akin to Earth's distance from the Sun. Bathed in a mere 10% more solar energy, it maintains an equilibrium. Kepler 452b's star boasts an impressive age of 6 billion years, 1.5 billion years older than our Sun. As with any aging superstar, it enters a phase of expanding radius and luminosity, analogous to Earth's trajectory. The year 2015 marked a pivotal moment when NASA's Kepler mission confirmed the existence of the first Earth-sized planet within the habitable zone of a Sun-like star. This planet was none other than Kepler 452b, a super-Earth approximately 60% larger than our home planet. Nestled within the habitable zone of star Kepler 452, this Sun-like star is slightly older and 20% brighter than our Sun. Kepler 452b's orbital period around its star is merely 5% longer than Earth, making it strikingly akin to our home planet in numerous aspects. Is Kepler 452b habitable? While certainly eludes us, earlier research suggests that planets like Kepler 452b with similar sizes have a promising likelihood of being rocky, analogous to Earth. If this planet possesses the essential ingredients and conditions for life, the potential for harboring living organisms remains substantial. Imagine a world teeming with extraterrestrial beings, pondering their unique version of Earth. To gain deeper insights into Kepler 452b and its star system, a team of dedicated researchers conducted ground-based observations at various observatories, including the University of Texas McDonald Observatory, the Fred Lawrence Whipple Observatory in Arizona, and the W.M. Keck Observatory in Hawaii. These endeavors confirmed the planetary nature of Kepler 452b, refined the size and brightness of its star, and provided enhanced understanding of the planet's size and orbit. Kepler's mission extended beyond Kepler 452b, leading to the discovery of a remarkable 4,696 planet candidates between May 2009 and May 2013 through observations. Among these candidates, 12 exhibited diameters similar to Earth's and orbited within their star's habitable zone. 9 of them even circled stars comparable to our Sun in terms of size and temperature. This abundance of discovery showcases the astonishing diversity of planets beyond our solar system, thanks to innovative advancements that enable automated identification of planet candidates based on transit signals in the Kepler dataset. As the Kepler Space Telescope ventured into space's depths, astronomers were thrilled to explore and study distant star systems. Prior to Kepler's launch, our solar system was deemed representative of norms, but Kepler's revelations shattered this notion. It revealed numerous compact planetary systems, harboring planets packed closer to each other than previously conceived. Kepler 11, with 5 planets sporting orbits smaller than Mercury's, showcased one such mind-boggling star system. The outermost planet nearly grazed Venus's orbit, creating a densely populated celestial neighborhood. Kepler 186f, nestled in the habitable zone of a diminutive star, challenged our perceptions with its planets merrily dancing around their star in orbits even closer than Mercury's. Rewind the clock to 2010, when Kepler's first discoveries came to light. 4 gas giant planets, slightly larger than Jupiter, and 1 planet slightly larger than Neptune were unveiled. Massive orbs rich in heavy elements. These giants waltzed closely with their stars, putting on celestial performances. 2011 marked a groundbreaking revelation. Kepler 452b, a planet positioned squarely within the habitable zone of a sun-like star, the ideal location for liquid water and, potentially, life to flourish. Kepler's wonders didn't stop there. It introduced Earth-sized marvels like Kepler 20e and Kepler 20f, with sizes remarkably similar to our own planet. Over time, Kepler's mission proved extraordinary, identifying a grand total of 2,741 planets, constituting about 2/3 of all known extrasolar planets at the time. Other ingenious projects joined the quest to uncover distant worlds, with the TRAPPIST-1 system standing out, not 1, not 2, but 7 Earth-sized planets within its grasp, 3 of which luxuriate in their star's habitable zone. The Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, or TESS, launched in 2018, took up the mantle, scanning over 200,000 stars to unearth hundreds of Earth-sized gems scattered across the universe. Kepler 452b receives a substantial 10% more starlight than Earth. However, this seemingly hospitable condition may be deceptive. The excess starlight could be a double-edged sword, suggesting that the planet might be gradually fading away. It might have once teemed with life but now withers under the intense gaze of its aging star. As the sun-like star's luminosity gradually increases over time, Kepler 452b could potentially be an aging world nearing the end of its journey. If the planet comprises only 1 land mass, any once thriving life could be on the brink of extinction. A runaway greenhouse effect, with insufficient gravity to retain life-sustaining water due to soaring surface temperatures, could lead to a scenario similar to Venus, where temperatures reach a scorching 847 degrees Fahrenheit or 453 Celsius due to a dense carbon dioxide atmosphere and sulfuric acid clouds, resulting in an everlasting greenhouse effect. Astronomer Douglas Caldwell of the SETI project proposes that Kepler 452b might be around 5 times more massive than Earth, possessing sufficient gravity to retain water and foster a flourishing biosphere. Volcanism could still be active, igniting possibilities for life's development and thriving. This potential could extend life on Kepler 452b for an additional 500 million years, a time frame similar to what remains on Earth before our Sun meets its eventual end. It's essential to note that these captivating speculations are grounded in current data, and astronomers retain a healthy dose of skepticism. The presence of life on Kepler 452b or its viability as humanity's new home remains uncertain. What do we know is that Kepler 452b stands as the most Earth-like planet discovered thus far, making it a subject of intensive study. Kepler 452b, a distant planet bearing a striking resemblance to our own, beckons us with possibilities. To inhabit this cousin, we require cutting-edge space technology and innovative ideas, from harnessing sustainable energy to establishing closed-loop ecosystems. While Earth remains our current home, Kepler 452b shines as a beacon of hope, reminding us of the infinite prospects the cosmos hold for humanity's future. Could this distant world be humanity's next frontier? What are your thoughts? Do you think Kepler 452b holds the key to our future beyond Earth? Engage with us by leaving a comment, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the notification bell for regular updates. Keep watching, stay inspired, and get ready for more exciting discoveries. See you in our next episode.